Alright, we'll take a quick walk around on the Beetle here. We'll look for any kind of damages we can find. Right away, it looks like the wheel's got a little bit of curvage and a little bit of rash going on. Doesn't really look like there's any door dings in the car. You can really see. We're here in the beautiful rainy northwest, so sometimes a little difficult to tell. And then back here we got a little bump, little spider going on. It's got a new top. This does work, it gets warm. But back in the old days, all the tops, the windows back there were plastic and they're terrible. Again with the wheels. A couple little touch-up spots back here. Another little bump here. Crack in the paint. Alright, sorry about that, I got interrupted. Seems like every time I start shooting a video, someone comes up here and starts yelling at me. Every time. You'd think they would realize what I'm doing by now, but that is not the case. So I don't really see any door dings on this side. There's a little one, I just lied. Very minor. There's a paint chip on it, but the actual dingage is minor, if that makes sense. Got Toyo tires, pretty good tread life. My phone screen's starting to fog up here. Again with the wheels. Obviously nothing's going to affect function, it's just cosmetic. Front bumper looks pretty good so far. A couple minor. Again, these are pretty minor. For a used car, to be expected. That's all scraped up. That's a good sign. Usually people are dragging curbs. Pop the hood. It is running, you can barely hear it. There's nothing coming out the exhaust. Even though it's cold and wet out here. A lot of European cars you gotta pull twice. I'm so used to pulling twice. Clean, quiet. Alright, do the interior next.